It's early on a Sunday morning and we're getting ready to go to a estate sale. It's called Hoarder's House, so it looks pretty insane. Just things, you know, stacked floor to ceiling. We're really excited. It was scheduled for yesterday, but we got a lot of rain, so it was rescheduled. Melissa's inside. It's getting late. They didn't give a time for the estate sale to start. They just said when the sun comes up. So I don't know if that's any indication of how much stuff there is, but there's always enough for everybody. So I need to remember that. All right, well, we'll pick this up when we pull up to this place, and hopefully it delivers for all of us. No.
Is it anything? It's kind of cool. What does it say?
2011? I just don't know. You know?
Yeah. Did you think it was Denise?
I did. I'm definitely going to check that out, you know?
Yeah.
That's $3. 425. That's red dots are 5. Everything over on the grass up there is full of bags for $5. Whatever you can fit in one of those bags, you can take for $5.
Should be. Sorry, we've got a lot going on with it.
Yeah. Excuse me, man. I don't want you to knock my coffee over. Thank you.
Everything on these tables are $5 to fill a bag.
$5? Okay, and how much is that box of books?
That box of books, let me ask.
Okay, thank you. $5? Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll take that.
What's that?
This box of books.
All of them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And anything that's $5 is 5 for 20. So these are also
Let me
$5.
see.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's
So
the
that's
next one?
Tim McGraw, I think, and this is Alabama single stitch.
Oh, that's cool. That's fun.
Yeah, it's in great shape.
Yeah. I don't know where to put that. I guess.
I don't know. Can you? Why don't we?
I'll just keep an eye on it. I mean, there's
Okay,
not.
I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna put that on top of there. I just don't want those shirts to get dirty.
Lilliput Lane, but it's cracked.
No woman. 1963.
I was expecting a lot more.
I don't want. I'm trying to.
You have to wear these down so much. Mine are like the perfect worn down.
They're like perfect for my feet too. Perfectly cake for my feet.
I know, because I've been working those for a really long time.
It literally has.
You see that? The treads all the way down.
Yeah.
It's smoothed over.
It's perfectly worn down.
That's how you know you have some good shoes. No, they're comfy.
Pretty much everything over there. You have to take a whole box. Oh, that's my stuff.
Oh, it is. Oh, okay. Oh, that's all right. You good? Sorry about that. Ooh, that is.
Anybody want?
That is creepy, creepy, creepy.
You don't? Wait,
No.
I gave it to you before you got out of the car, didn't I?
No, But look at that. Look at that baby.
It's,
How about when you go?
it's something.
It's creep.
Double, oh, it's a new certificate. What year is it?
Can you plug it in? Ashton
Come
Drake
back.
Gallery. Ashton Drake Galleries.
How much is it?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, kitty.
That's cute. No.
Do we need another bowl with cats on it? This is cool.
Is that, wait, is that Drac or Drake?
Drake.
Okay, D-R-A-K-E. I don't know, put that in and
That's what I was.
just put in baby. 13.
No.
But the shipping is 65 from UK. 34. Yeah, that might be. I think, yeah.
For like $1.
Yeah.
Oh, these are nice.
Is that 88 or 98? This is 1998.
Yeah.
I'm thinking no.
It is so heavy.
Alright.
This is like cute little.
They're fresh, though.
This is so cute. This is a nice little box of bag of things. Do we need these ducks?
Because we've done, yeah. Let's see, are they signed?
No, I think the information's been taken from them.
The information's been taken from them. God. Sounds sinister.
I know. Well,
I don't know.
excited that I woke up on this morning. No?
I don't think so.
Okay. Duckies be gone. How about this? This is a cool little grouping. It's
Yeah.
it's
Copper?
Copper and yeah, I think so, or brass. I don't know. Lightweight, cute little. Yeah, couple bucks. I mean, I feel like I would list that for like 15. No.
Maybe. No, I guess I'll put it over there and see.
See how much it all comes in at. I don't really want to sell guns. There's guns. There's. Oh, look at that's a nice red phone. That was a dial.
Yep.
Cool cameras. You want to pick up Ninja?
Ninja Ing? Yeah, maybe.
You were saying?
Huh?
here.
I don't think I want to pay up for it though.
For $100
Ten?
2 days ago on eBay. 25. Take a handful of the crap ones for $1.
Nicole. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got.
Got your haul.
Yeah. Here, let me open that. Here, can I give you those CDs?
Yeah,
I'm
a
just
box
gonna-
of books. That's yours.
Yeah, this is our
Five
box of
bucks
books.
on that.
Okay, that, in all honesty, that Vogue was separate. I just tossed it in there. Still $5. Okay. And then these 4 CDs.
That's still bags.
Here, let's fill it all up, and
Yeah,
you could give us a total on everything.
Yeah.
Those were like 2 for $5.
Shirts was like about like $25.
Sounds good.
Take it
Yeah,
all.
I can hold. Thank you.
You can even take that IKEA bag. I think probably $2.
Oh, that was our IKEA bag.
Oh, was
We
it?
got it.
Oh,
We
yeah.
came prepared.
All right,
Oh,
all right.
yeah. Thank you.
I'll go get you another side.
Okay, thanks. I'm gonna take one. Maybe we'll look again.
All right, we drove a half an hour here. What's your review?
Oh, I think it was good. It was a tag sale. It wasn't an estate sale. It was just outdoors, and it was like a multi-family / estate sale, clean out, tag sale, and we got
Not a hoarder house,
no. I think it was. I think
but
that
it said that in the
the guy
description.
Yeah, the guy has been cleaning out a hoarder house for 2 years, and he's a reseller. So this is all the stuff that he didn't really bother with. So, you know, we wound up with a bag and a box full of things for $25. I think it was worth it.
Oh yeah, I mean the prices were really fair. I was expecting just piles of stuff, and you know, it all can't deliver. I was a little disappointed because we drove a half an hour. I was really thinking it was gonna, you know, there was just gonna be a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I have mixed feelings. It's a beautiful day, and it's been raining for a couple of days, and you know, I'm sort of relieved to just kind of get in, get out. We were there
That's
for
true.
how long were we there for?
Yeah,
Like
under
less
an
than
hour.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you know, I'm happy with what we got for what we spent. We got a box full of Nancy Drew books that we've had success auctioning them on
Yeah,
eBay.
so we'll definitely auction those.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should probably sell for probably what we paid for everything,
Yeah.
and then everything else is profit.
Yep.
So that's good.
Yep.
All right. Well, I guess we're going to go and enjoy the day.
Yeah.
I hope you'll do the same, and we'll see you for the next video.
See you next time.
Bye.